Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to delete your Facebook search history, which is quite simple and easy to do. And if you don't want to make any mistakes, make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, open up your Facebook app and then just simply come to menu section and click on this gear on the top right to open up settings and privacy, and go to your account center, and after that click on your information and permissions, and you will see a search history option on the very top. Just simply tap on that option. Here just select your Facebook account, and here it will be show all of your search history on Facebook. And if you want to sort it, just simply tap on sort and select a type, newest to oldest or oldest to newest. I'm just selecting the first one. And if you want to delete, just simply tap on that cross in front of your search, like in this way. So that's how you can easily delete your search history on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment below and I'll be catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.